Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sun Lakes local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers high quality, affordable moving assistance in Sun Lakes, Arizona. Our professional crews support residential and commercial customers with their local and long distance moves. When searching for a local moving company, it's great to have some referrals from friends, family, or professionals like your realtor or rental agent. Many local companies depend on those personal recommendations for business and want to earn your positive feedback as well. You may find that small companies, many movers are small, although some are affiliated with larger national organizations, are more flexible in waiving minimum charges or offering incentives, discounts, and packages. It never hurts to ask for a deal, especially if you are moving during a slow season. The best way to determine what your upcoming move to or from Sun Lakes will cost is to request estimates from several reputable moving companies. As you compare them, verify that the estimates include similar service levels. Don't hesitate to ask questions. You want to be sure you understand what each vendor is offering before you decide. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Santan Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.